Again with another video, and in today's video I'm going to be explaining to you guys my opinion on the LED.
Stupid.
No, not.
What's 9 plus 10?
21.
You stupid.
But you can do this, bro. You got this. What is up, everybody? It is Broward Chaz coming back at it again with another video, and in today's video I'm going to be explaining my personal opinion on the LED conversion kit for Gixxers. Now, I do know everybody's different on their opinion, so this video is opinion based off of how I feel. You know, I'm not gonna really go too far into detail on my opinion about it, but I'm gonna show a clip of me riding at night. Actually, I'm gonna gear up, go ride, come back, and then finish the video, as well as show you guys the kit, tell you where I got it from, and yeah, break down my opinion on if it's, you know, efficient to convert over to LEDs for older bikes versus, you know, the traditional brownish colored in-home bulb. If you guys like the video, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, as well as share with your friends and family, and I greatly appreciate it, guys. I am in an excellent mood. I did order a bunch of things for the moto vlogs. I got my microphone on the way. I got a bunch of parts from a bike coming in. So I do plan on grinding a lot this summer. You know, just hit that notification bell, hit that subscribe button, like the video, share it with a friend or family member, and I'll greatly appreciate it. Let's get straight into the video, and I'll check back with you guys in a second. Peace. So guys, I am back and I am on a somewhat dark road. I know the quality of this will not be so good because again, it is nighttime. Yeah, so here is my Gixxer 750. This is 06. Now this is the LED conversion kit that you can purchase at Cycle Gear. A link for this light kit will be in the description below. But I've had it for about a day now, and I can immediately tell the difference when riding at night. Now, here in Florida, I do personally ride more at night because my friends work during the day as well as me. So riding at night, you know, I do like to be seen. That is the main thing, to be seen when you are riding at night. Whether you wear reflective gear, you always need good lighting. Potholes, tree branches, tires, anything can be in the road, and if you can do something to prevent yourself from being in harm's way, why not do it? One thing my grandfather always told me is you could never spend too much on gear, because that's like putting a price on your life if you guys really think about it. You know, now that doesn't say you have to have a $1,000 pair of boots or a $1,000 tracksuit, but it is an investment for your safety. This is an extremely dangerous hobby. You have to watch out for other people as well as watch out for yourself when you're riding these bikes, especially in this environment. At nighttime, I do wear my reflective vest. During the day, I wear my Icon Star jacket. And I also wear, you know, very thick jeans. I wear my Alpine Star jacket, my Icon full face helmet, my Alpine Star carbon light gloves, and my Alpine Star V-Stir boots. Now, just all in all, this conversion kit has made my bike not only look better, but just feel safer at night. Now, as you guys can see, I would say that this does give you, now I'm pretty sure if I was at the end of this road, these bulbs would still shine the same. Now, this conversion kit basically produces the same light as a car's light for your headlight, and this isn't with my high beams on. My high beams on, I still do have the yellow bulb at the bottom. Unfortunately, Broward Motorsports did sell me the wrong one and didn't let me return it after they told me that it was the right one. Facepalm. But yeah, I mean, even without my high beams on, these lights just beam down the road. These lights were plug and play. I didn't have to do anything to my wire harness, adjust anything. All I did was unplug my old ones and plug these ones in. Now, I will try to find a link to this conversion kit from Cycle Gear themselves, and put it in the description, but if I cannot, I am pretty sure that your local Cycle Gear will have these light kits in stock. I highly suggest doing this to your bike, especially older model Gixxers and older model bikes. Just LED conversion kits, you know, LEDs in houses, in vehicles have been just the new updated way to be, so to speak. Whether you're saving energy in a home, whether you're trying to make your car look better, or for this instance, be safer on the road. Now guys, I'm gonna head back to my house, show you guys the conversion kit, what it looks like when you open it, and explain a few more things to you guys. Be right back. Peace. On my way home, my GoPro will be mounted on the front windscreen of my bike so that you guys can get another point of view. So guys, bear with me on this camera angle, but yeah, so this is what the LED conversion kit looks like when you buy it brand new from Cycle Gear. It's called Speed Metal. I'm pretty sure that that's the brand, but it's 3000 lumens. It's waterproof. It comes with a superior cooling system apparently. All in all, you know, I give it a 10 out of 10. These are H4s. And I mean, to be honest, I have no complaints about them. I mean, I've only had them for a day per se, but I mean, they look excellent. You know, looks may be deceiving, but first off, whenever you get it from Cycle Gear, it is posted in Cycle Gear for $119, as you guys can see. I ended up getting it for $75. Because I have an account with Cycle Gear as well as it was on sale. But I mean, I looked on Amazon, I looked everywhere to find lights for my bike, and I was scared to buy some online. Basically, when you get it, the light comes here. I think it's called a compensator, but it comes right here. I'll set that to the side. Yeah, inside the box, it gives you instructions on how to install the light. It's pretty self-explanatory. It's just you twist off your collar, you set it in the bulb, and then you use your like coupling thing to connect it to your receiver. The male and female end just plug and play, like I previously said. But yeah, that's basically it for the video, guys. This is short. I just want to produce a video really quick on this product, giving it a short little review. Yeah, if you guys like the video, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, as well as share it with your friends and family, and I will greatly appreciate it, guys. This is a passion of mine. I really want to pursue a career in doing these type of videos for you guys and just, you know, sharing my life journey with you guys. Yeah, that's all I really have to say to the camera. If anybody's wondering what camera I am recording on, this is a GoPro 360 Max camera. Again, all in all, a wonderful camera. I like to buy good things, you know, personal investments. But yeah, if there's anything you guys would like me to purchase, not necessarily purchase or, you know, do a review on that I already have, just let me know in the comment section below. I also bought this wiring thing for my bike that goes from my battery to a USB-C adapter, or a USB adapter, and I am able to charge my phone on my bike. I will post a video about that tomorrow, if the weather, you know, stays good in Florida. Bipolar weather. But yeah, I mean, I'll check with you guys later, and peace.